Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you will learn how you can connect your Razorpay application with Mailgun with the help of an automation. So this is a very interesting use case we have taken here. Guys, Razorpay is an online payment gateway by which you can receive payments from your customers, and Mailgun is an email delivery service by which you can send transactional or tracking emails like order confirmations or payment confirmations. So here, with the help of this automation that we are about to set up, you can add the customers whose payments you are receiving from Razorpay into a mailing list in Mailgun. So you don't have to manually copy paste the data of your customers from Razorpay and add those customers into mailing list in Mailgun to send the transactional emails. It is going to happen automatically. Okay. So it will surely save your efforts and time and improves your productivity. So now let me show you how this is going to work. So the flow of this automation is going to look like this. As and when you receive payments from Razorpay, the customer who have done this payment will be added in a list in Mailgun automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So anyone can set up this automation. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account. And for this, you can check our description in which we have pasted a link from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And it will give you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay. And after that, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And here guys, you have to start setting up this automation by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button. And here you can give any suitable name to your workflow. So let me fill the name here. So here I have given the name to this workflow as send Razorpay customers into Mailgun mailing list automatically. Okay, now you can click here on this create button. And you can see your workflow getting created here like this. And guys, on this page, you will find these two things. Let me show you this trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger is happening of any event. So it is saying here when this happens, that means when this event occurs. Action is saying do this. So action will make Pabbly Connect perform any action. Okay. As in our use case, the trigger would be happening of payment or receiving of payment from Razorpay, and the action to that trigger would be is to send that customer into Mailgun in a mailing list. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. Click on this trigger section, and from this choose app field, choose your trigger application, which is Razorpay in our case. This is Razorpay. Select this. Okay, and in the trigger event, you have to select payment captured option. So it will trigger this workflow when the status of the payment is changed to captured. Okay, so select payment captured, and this will give you a webhook URL here. So this URL is used to fetch the information out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this, we are going to connect our Razorpay, and we'll fetch the information of any customer whose payment we are receiving to here in Pabbly Connect. So you can follow these steps written here to set up this webhook. Let me show you how you can do this. So you just have to copy first this webhook URL, then you have to go to Razorpay account. So this is my Razorpay's dashboard, and here on this left hand side panel, I have this settings option. Okay, and on the settings page, you will find this webhooks tab here. Click on webhook. Okay, and after that, you can create a new webhook by clicking here on this add new webhook button. And here you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from Pabbly Connect like this. Okay, and here in this active events, you have to check this box payment.captured. So check this box here, payment.captured, then click on create webhook. And you can see a new webhook is saved here successfully. Okay, and here you can see as I have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. This means now you have to do a test submission, or you have to do a test payment or demo payment from Razorpay so that we can capture the details of a demo customer here in Pabbly Connect, and with the help of those details only, we are going to move forward in this automation. Okay, so I'm going back to my Razorpay dashboard and I'm clicking on payment pages, and here I have a few products whose pages I have created, and I'm going to open this core PHP programming. This is a course I am selling, and I have created the payment page of this course from Razorpay. So I'm going to copy this payment page link and opening in another tab. So this is the selling page, payment page of this course, core PHP programming. I'm selecting this course here. I'm adding the name of my customer as this. Rakesh Singh is our customer. And this is the email address of this person. And this is the number. And I'm clicking on pay. Okay, so we are in test mode now. So I'm using test card details here. So I'm entering the test card details. Okay, like this. And the card holder name is Rakesh. Okay, this is the code, and I'm clicking on pay, and the demo bank page is loading here, and from here I'm going to click on success, and you will see that the payment will be successful in just few moments. And you can see the payment is a demo payment is successful here. Okay, now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the data of this customer, and in this response received section you can see we got the details of the payment and of the customer like this. Okay, so it is showing us the details of the course purchase, the name of the customer, the email ID, the phone number, and all the things. Okay, now I want to add this person in Mailgun in a mailing list that I have here. This is the mailing list I have, so that I can send any type of transactional emails from Mailgun. I want to add this person here. Okay, so for that to happen, you have to connect your Mailgun application in this action step. So from this action step, select Mailgun, M-A-I-L, Mailgun, where it is. Okay, this is Mailgun, select it. And in the action event, you have to select new mailing list member option. Okay, then click on connect. And from this window, add new connection. And here it will ask for the API key and the private API key and the Mailgun host here and the domain name also. So you have to you need to fill all these things here, so you can read the instruction, the help text written here. Let me show you how you can find these things. So to find this private API key, you have to log in into the, your Mailgun, and in the account setting you will find this key. Let me show you. This is my Mailgun's account, and I am under the account security section. So you can find the security section from this profile icon, and by clicking on this settings, this security actually, you will reach this place, and like this you can reach this page, and from this API security you will find this private API key here. So you just have to open it, and you have to copy this key from here like this, and have to paste this key here in this private API key field like this. And here above you can see in the API, here you can read enter API as it is and your private API key. So here you have to just enter API as it is. Okay, and we have pasted the key now. And for the region, you can read here for US region you have to use this link, and for the EU or the European region you have to copy this and paste it here. So as we are working in the US region, I'm going to copy this from here and paste it here. Okay, and for the domain name, you can read here the domain name to use from the list of domains in Mailgun. So the domain must reside in the same region as selected above. So this domain must reside in the US region. So you can find the domain from this domains list in Mailgun. Just click on this domains and you will reach this page, the dashboard of Mailgun, in the domain section. And this is the US domain section. Click on it and you will find this. This is the domain actually. You will find this domain here. Just copy this from here like this and paste this domain here in this domain name field in Pabbly Connect like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Mailgun like this. Okay, now it is asking for the list in which you want to add this person, the address of the person, and the update. If you want to send any update, it is asking. So first of all, I'm going to select the mailing list that I have here, and here in Mailgun I have all these lists. Let me show you. I'm opening my list here. Mailing list are there, you can see. And this is the mailing lists I have. This is the admin list and this is the Razorpay list. Okay. So in this Razorpay list, I'm going to add the person. So this is the list I have. So from Pabbly Connect, from this list field, it will show you the list. So I'm selecting Razorpay list. And in the address, I'm going to use the data I have captured in the first step. So I'm going to map this address, the email address here in this address field. So to map the data, you just have to click here and you will find this Razorpay option in the drop down. And from here, scroll down and find the email address of the person. And you will find it here. Just copy this. Oh, sorry, map this. Okay. And you have to say yes to update member if present, no to raise an error in case of duplicate member. So you can select yes or no. If this person is already present, you can make it yes. If this person is not present, you can make it no. You can check for duplication here. Okay. So here you can map the member name from this Razorpay option. And from this Razorpay option, I'm going to map the name of the person. Let's see where it is. Here is the name. And I'm going to map the full name from here only. Okay, this is the full name. Right, now let's check our connection with Mailgun if it is working properly or not. So I'm going to click on save and send test request, and this person is going to be added in this mailing list that I have opened here. Okay, so let's check. I'm clicking on save and send test request and let's see what happens. And you can see this is the response that we have received. Let's check in the Mailgun. Okay. And I'm refreshing this page here. And here you can see now in the Razorpay list, we have 2 members and the Rakesh Singh member is added here. Okay. So our connection is working properly with Mailgun also. So, and we are done setting up this automation. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in the trigger section, I connected Razorpay with the help of this Webhook URL. I connected Razorpay and fetched the demo details of a demo customer here in this response received. After that, in the actions tab, I connected Mailgun to add a member in a list, and I mapped the data like this. So when you map the data, what will happen? When in real time you receive any payment from Razorpay, the details will change accordingly here and a new person will be added in your list. Okay, so that's why we need to map this data. Okay, and guys, you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, as and when you are going to receive any payment from Razorpay, the same customer will be added in a list in Mailgun automatically. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.